Hi, today we're reviewing the Megalodon from Walmart. Welcome to my channel.
That's a very nice truck. We've had a lot of fun with this Walmart truck. And I used to have a lot of RC trucks in my younger days, the gas powered and the more expensive ones. And I am honestly blown away by this one. There is no suspension, but it drives on water. It's geared fairly low and it is amazingly torquey. So I'm going to give you some different shots of it.
I turned it on.
So Jace here is going to turn it on and give you guys a demo of this bad boy in action. And I'm going to show you a screenshot here of the Walmart page. This is the truck that we are giving you guys a demonstration on. It's out of stock because it's awesome.
So today we're going to do like freestyles, jump over ramps, do some jumps.
Okay. You ready?
Do a lot of stuff.
Okay. Well, this thing is really fast, and this is not a fast-forwarded video. This is real time. So I'm going to step back and give you guys more of an aerial shot.
Like with the other one was it really fast. The other one.
Okay.
Go.
Go for it, bud.
Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.